Hello, I'm Mrs. Hutchins. I am your Scholars 8th grade science teacher here at Charles Hart Middle School. Today, I'm going to give you a tour of our science classroom. Students come upstairs for my class. They line up right here near my classroom door. They know that it's my classroom because there's a sign on the door that says Ms. Hutchins, followed by my picture and a positive message to them. The future of the world is in the students enter the classroom. Normally right in this area, I'll have the tablet cart where each child will get his or her cart and they come into the classroom. This station right here, children who come in late, they know to sign in on the tardy book. That just helps me so that if they come in late, I can remember who they are and mark them present for class. There's a huge bottle of hand sanitizer near the door and some pencils that get sanitized daily. There is tissue, Kleenex, paper towels, and their daily due now. 3 cans of Lysol, disinfectant wipes, extra masks, and water cups for students who are thirsty. We also have 3 first aid kits in case your child gets hurt or injured. Something minor, of course, it doesn't require the nurse. In this classroom, because it's a laboratory, we have 4 sinks. At each sink, we have soap and or sanitizer, a squeegee, as you can see. I even have some dish detergent, positive messages, hand sanitizer, more hand sanitizer. There are positive messages on every single cabinet in the room because this year's theme is positive growth mindset. And this part of the room is the data wall where your scholar can come and see how his or her class is performing on pre and post tests, required curriculum tests, progress reports, and report card grades. Here is a list of Mrs. Hutchins' expectations for her students in her classroom. Here's an anchor chart for how we do classroom discussions listed there at the top. And of course, student work. We have some amazing work coming soon, parents. I know you're probably wondering, what is that stuff? Those are our robots that we built over the summer. The students in my STEM and robotics class will be playing with these, building them, taking them apart, and all that sort of stuff. Here are some more robotics kits that we use in my class as well. This is the STEM student data wall, and very excited to show you this. This is the positive affirmation wall, where students can come get a sticky note and write positive messages for the day to themselves so that they can have a good day. This is our student supply zone, where there are staplers, tape, 3-hole punch, pencils, pens, scissors, glue, paper for students who may not have those materials and supplies. Also in the room, we have a class plant that students help me water and maintain. And here's a rolling whiteboard that students use to teach each other. I may use it to jot a few notes down. Now let me show you how the classroom is organized for seating with students. So this is table 1, team 1. As you can see, there's position 1, position 2, position 3, and position 4 at this table. The student supplies are cleaned daily with a can of Lysol to make sure that we're not spreading any germs. Students have also been given their own pencils and pens and paper and binders to use in our classrooms. This is table 2, table 3, 4, 5, and 6, where your scholars sit during the class. Up here is the front of the classroom. This is what students see. They see 2 boards. One board tells them the student objectives and what they are going to be learning for the day and the essential questions. The other board gives them the daily agenda and reminders, and they can see the classroom rules. And we have a word wall, part of the growth mindset series. I have little vines that represent growth. And And up here, we have a copy of the periodic table that students are going to be learning during this first unit in our classroom. And I have a small group table that I rotate, maintaining 3 to 6 feet of distance from students. And my classroom is cleaned daily. I vacuum my own carpet. And this is our projector and pretty much everything that I use to teach our scholars. This is a final shot of the classroom so that you can see the entire space that is utilized during teaching and learning in physical science. This is a wall that students will access missing work, in addition to my Canvas course companion, which also has the missing assignments. I hope that you've enjoyed this tour of our classroom space, and I look forward to meeting each and every last one of you and having the most amazing school year.